guys, today we're gonna do a seafood boil with Blove's Smackalicious sauce. We have red potatoes, crab, kielbasa sausage, shrimp. I forgot the corn. Sorry guys, but that's what we have today. And then of course, Blove sauce because Phil loves the sauce. Well, actually, I make it at home, like my own version. But today we decided to try it with like the Blove's pack. So we're gonna see how it goes today. So this is kind of like a taste tester type of thing. Why are you being awkward?
Not me, I was smiling.
No, it's gonna look good.
Seafood boil is I love it. I didn't like it at first until I ate her sauce. I want a seafood boil almost every week.
The shrimps are really good too.
Yeah. They're huge. Some big ass shrimps. Some big shrimps.
Y'all really gonna share a bowl because we done shared enough cooties, trust and believe. Yeah, make sure you keep going into the stuff too.
Yeah. I'm taking this off.
What's my vodka?
Oh, here we go.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, hot.
So y'all, sorry if we're a little awkward at first. This is our first YouTube video. So we're gonna try to do. We haven't completely came down to what kind of content we want to do. I think we're gonna do like mukbangs and talking with y'all. Once we get a few more videos and a few more subscribers, we might do like a Q&A of like questions that y'all want to ask us, kind of get to know us a little bit more. My name is Chelsea.
My name is Philip.
And our channel name is Happily Ever Osborne because we are getting married this year in November. So I want to kind of do videos and walk y'all through that type of stuff as well. Of like the process of different things that we're doing for the wedding. Kind of those type of things. We have our venue picked out, and I already got some on my shirt. We have our venue picked out, and then I have my dress, and then the colors. But we still need to do like catering, and I'm doing a lot of DIY decorations for the wedding. So we can do videos for that. Or y'all could comment below and just let us know what kind of videos y'all would like to see us do. I'm sure we might throw some pranks in there as well. You like it?
That's good. That's real good.
And then we can just freeze the rest for another boil. So
this packet made a lot of sauce.
Yeah, that's a lot.
So what I'm gonna do is just whatever we don't eat. She said you can freeze it. So I'll freeze it and then for another mukbang. I don't know, do you like those new big shrimps?
They're good.
And I got these new shrimps from Sam's.
They're huge.
And they were really way bigger than like the ones you get like in the packets at like Walmart or whatever, like y'all know what I mean. So these ones were a lot bigger, and they almost taste like more juicier, don't they?
They're real good.
Alright, I know y'all want to see me get into this crab, so let me go ahead and get some of this crab going. He's not a big crab eater.
I don't eat that. I don't eat crab.
He used to not like boils at all. But I would make like a homemade from her videos that she used to show of like how just to make it at home at first. That's how I used to do it. Well, that's how I probably will do it for a while. But I was like, hey, let's try Blove sauce, like her sauce, like not like homemade how I make it, like how she says it. These crabs are a little salty today.
Our sauce is sweeter than yours.
Well, I had
It's more
added
sweeter.
in the Coke to it too, and it's not the
Yeah.
spicy version, so I don't know if there's like cayenne in there or not, because I usually add cayenne
Yeah.
in mine. That's good.
Mm-hmm.
But today's my birthday, guys.
Woo woo. Wow. See nothing. Happy birthdays in the comments.
I turned 28 today. Still a little hot.
Yeah.
You get a lot of it up on there.
Onions. Mm-hmm.
You hear me?
Mm-hmm.
Y'all had it all set up, and I forgot drinks.
Some good stuff.
Alright, this really good.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, and I was supposed to do mussels, but this is a lot of food. The mussels probably would have been like way too much. And he don't eat the mussels, so. Well, you had left him that one time.
Yeah, it was alright.
Hey, I knew I was missing something. Yo! I had went live on TikTok earlier, and I was like, so I got the crab, and I was like, something's not missing, but I kept on thinking it was the corn, because I forgot the corn when we went shopping. Sorry guys, my other phone was messing up, so we started on this one. Sorry, we don't have a camera or anything yet, so we're just kind of starting fresh, so excuse us. But like I was saying, so I forgot the daggum eggs. I'm so mad at myself. See, what happened is I was sitting there prepping everything, and then Phil had to go do something, and I forgot all about it.
Eggs, the best part.
I know. Oh, man. I knew I was missing something. And y'all, I'm having a Coke to drink, and Phil has a water.
And I think if you're at the table. Thank you.
Just make sure you leave a little bit of shrimps for Dad.
Mm-hmm.
And then some crab legs. Wait, put my rice here.
Sauce is real good.
Yeah, the sauce is really good. Blove, you did that. I think she said she might be doing a garlic one too. And I really like garlic, so I think we would probably like that one too.
Yeah.
But I don't know if that one's available on Amazon or anything yet. So, because when I went on there, it was the spicier this one, and like I said, he don't really like spicy stuff. Even though some of our challenges might be having some spicy stuff, so y'all can see him squirm. Uh-huh.
I don't mind spicy. It's just hot.
Like fire noodles.
I hate hot. I hate hot.
Maybe the one chip challenge.
Oh, I don't know about that one. I don't know about that one.
You ain't gonna do it for YouTube, babe?
You think you seen some people over exaggerate on YouTube? You gonna see me over exaggerate?
He is a drama queen, y'all.
Not with that. Mm-hmm. Not with that.
That sauce is good. I don't know, maybe it was that leg because this one isn't as salty as the other ones. I'm glad it wasn't raining today.
Right.
Y'all, it's been raining so much here. We live in South Carolina. It's been raining so much. Today it was actually not raining. It was a little chilly, but
just a little bit. Overall, felt real good. I like the rain. I got tired of the rain.
I mean, it's nice to rain every once in a while, but it was like it rained for like a week straight.
Right. The daggone pool almost filled back up with rainwater.
He was trying to get it down for the summer for us to. I don't know if we are going to get a new linen this year because we've had this linen since we moved here, and it's been what, 5 years? I'm going on 6 years this year, ain't it? So I think we need to get a new linen for the pool, like a liner. So I don't know if we're gonna do that this year or what. Trying to see how things go.
Yeah. And bad storm came through and threw our pool, threw our table in the pool, and it ripped the pool at the bottom. And I had to patch that up.
We knew nothing about pools when we first moved here. It was like, are we gonna be able to upkeep a pool? Like, we were really worried about that. But we haven't done too bad. I feel like, guys.
I like doing it. I like doing it.
I'm glad he likes doing it. It feels like we ain't done no damage at all to this stuff.
For real. We ain't did it.
This might last a couple of mukbangs, honestly. Some of that onion. Oh.
Yes.
Can y'all see that?
That's delicious.
Ooey gooey goodness. I'm killing them shrimp, Simon. You must have really liked them.
They good. This would be the kielbasa for me. But shrimp's good.
Sorry if y'all hear our kids in the back. They're in the room playing. It is. It's really good. I'm honestly starting to get full fast. I don't know if it's because we had that Whopper earlier.
Probably.
They had built a new Burger King over here by our house. And my son's like, I want to go to Burger King. So we stopped by Burger King. Got the kids their food. And I was like, do you want to get a Whopper to kind of like hold us over until we make dinner? Junior, you need to quiet down, please. Y'all will learn that our son does not know what quiet means.
At all.
He talks loud. He yells louder than loud. And he's been that way since he was little. Yeah. It's like I cannot get him out of it. cannot. I'm so mad at myself that I forgot the eggs. I'm mad at you for not reminding me.
I ain't noticed until I went to start looking for eggs.
Well, we should have been boiling them before we even started. Like,
Yeah. Oh no, my potato.
I know my potato has fell earlier too.
I'm trying to grab some onion.
This sauce thick, she thick.
That's how I like them.
We had went out to eat the other day, y'all. We went out with a couple of friends. And we went to this place where they do like
Seafood.
yeah, seafood. And she was like, I had got fried shrimp and he got some flounder. And for some reason they asked, they were like, do you want your flounder thin or thick? And in my mind, I'm like, yeah, just don't serve just the flounder. And I was like, ma'am, he likes some thick. And she was training a girl. And the trainer girl was just like, she was not enthused at all about it. But the other lady, she started laughing hard.
Me too.
You want to eat too? She likes crab, y'all. Say hey, YouTube.
Thank you.
This is Amaya. Let me drink alone. You like that? Is it good?
Yeah.
You like that? So give him a thumbs up. Look, get the camera and say, it was good.
I can't see it.
Alright, y'all. Well, the kids have already invaded, so we'll go ahead and let y'all go. Hold on. Shh, hold on. Thank y'all for watching us. We'll come in with another YouTube video soon. Bye.